Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 64, effective until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River, and the following marine locations: Mississippi Sound and Chandelier Sound. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northeastern Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana, Washington Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Pike County in southern Mississippi, west central Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Franklinton to near Bogalusa, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bogalusa, Osaka, Bush, Enon, Franklinton, Filson, Sun, Mount Hermon, and Wilmer. This includes Interstate 55 in Mississippi between mile markers 4 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Tammany, Tangipahoa, and Washington, and the following counties in Mississippi: Pearl River and Pike. Wind advisory. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, Lake Bourne, Mississippi Sound, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:39 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from near Mississippi Sound to 9 nautical miles, southeast of Rigolets, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Cat Island, Mississippi Sound, Horn Island, Pass Christian, Ship Island, Chandelier Sound, and Pascagoula. Strong winds will be dangerous for boaters or anyone near the water. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Wind advisory in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. What? Westerly winds 30. The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Breton Sound, Chandelier Sound, coastal waters from Boothville, Louisiana to southwest pass of the Mississippi River out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island, Louisiana out 20 to 60 nautical miles, coastal waters from Pascagoula, Mississippi to Stake Island out 20 nautical miles, until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southeast of Horn Island to 16 nautical miles east of Wyclaw's Key, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Breton Sound and Chandelier Sound. Dangerous high winds and suddenly higher waves are expected. Seek shelter or move to safe harbor immediately. The forecast for the Mississippi Gulf Coast, including Gulf.